Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video some hidden secret codes for the Sony Xperia 10 and also Xperia 10 Mark II. So first of all we will need the dialer for, and then we need here the keypad. So let's start now with the first code. It's a *#* 7378423 #*#*. Okay, then we are here at the service menu. First of all, we have here some service infos like which model number we have. Very interesting here. So I have the Mark II version of the Xperia 10, and you can see here which model number you have and see if you have the dual SIM version or the regular version. I have the dual SIM version here. So going back, we have the software info here, which software is actually on the phone, and also if our phone have a SIM lock and so on and so on. So the total call time, I have no calls actually on my SIM cards here with our phone. So go back, but the most interesting point here are the service tests. So first of all, we have here the keyboard and switch stuff and so on. If you want, you can check it. It will check your keyboard, but you have to wait 8 seconds after you can then do it. We have to wait 8 seconds until we can go back. You can check if everything is okay. Yes, everything is okay. If not, you would tell us something. So, and nice is here the touch, because we can test our touchpad with maybe the free drawing test here and so on. So everything seems to be okay. If you want to go back, scroll up the bar here and go back with the back button. Then we have to draw grip tests to fulfill here the buttons, the blocks, pardon. All the blocks have to be yellow to we know that everything is working. Oh yeah. I think I need some glasses. So you have to touch the blocks with the line. So now everything is okay and it's marked blue. So if you want to go back, scroll up and go back with the back button. Then you can make the red test and so on. All the same thing. Also with green and blue. No? So you can really test your touchpad here with that. So very nice, and also the colors as well. Then we can here go on the display to check also the colors as well, and it looks good. Everything seems to be okay. So a nice test for your phone. So then we can here we have here the LED illumination. So blue, also green, blue, and red. So that works well. Yeah. Then we have the speakers with some music. It sounds good. Then we have the earphones. I haven't some connected. Okay, then we have here the microphone. So now it's recording and so on and so on. And after we will have and after we can play it. But you have, in my case, I have to volume up the sound because it's always on silent here. So go back. So then we have the secondary microphone, so the one at the top here, and that should be work as well. Yep. Okay, then also this is the second microphone here is if you speak on loud or also if you're in a loud area and you're on a phone that it will reduce the noises, so for noise cancelling. Yeah? So then the vibration, first of all you can set up a time how long the vibration should be. I have it now for 3 seconds here, so you will give it in milliseconds, no? So for whatever you will need it for. Then we have here the main camera. Schön. Then we will have the second camera. Nice as well. So this is the zoom camera here, the one with the telezoom. And the third cam is the ultra wide cam here. No? Okay, then we have the front cam. Now I know how I work. Hello, by the way. Back. The flash LED. It's on. Should be on. Yes, it is. Whew. Then we can make a Bluetooth test, a Wi-Fi test, NFC test, and so on. And I should look for my Wi-Fi. Normally it should be connected. And yeah, looks good. We have some Wi-Fi spots here nearby. We can check the GPS. We can make a GPS location test. So if you're very interested where I am right now, you should take care. So now you know that. Then we have here the compass. And yeah, we have to move it first and so on. And then it will move and so on. But we have not enough space here. The accelerometer, you can play with the ball here a bit. And you will see also if this works well. Nice games, by the way. And then the gyroscope sensor, also the same thing. No. Very important also for games if you want to steer with the phone or whatever. And the ambient light sensor. So seems to be also well. And then the proximity switch. So that is here some sensors here if you may on a call and that the display turns off, and if you go here over the sensors, it is on, that the screen will turn off during a call. And what we have next, the whole element tests. Okay, but we would need a smart cover for, we don't have it. And then we have a battery health test. This is also nice. So, and it's good, no need to replace it. Nice to know. And we have here also our used ampere hours. Okay, and we have a fingerprint test, but please don't touch it. No, the fingerprint sensor is here. Don't touch the fingerprint sensor. Just wait, and the sensor is okay. So a very nice test, and you could really check your phone with. Okay, let's go back because we have another test here. So *#* 4636, and then #*#*. Okay, this is the testing mode, and we have first of all we have some phone information and so on and so on, and then we have here the usage statistics, and that's very nice because we can see which app we have used for how long. So you can sort it here by the usage time or by the last time used. So we want to see the usage time. Here you see the app at first, and at the middle you see the last time when you have used it, also so the date, or if you have used it today, you will see the time, and at the end you will see the usage time. So I have used the service menu for the most. So what you have just tested, we have used the most, so the settings is on the second point, and so on and so on. So a nice tool, nice statistics, and yeah, I hope you really like this video. that you'll have learned something new about your phone. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be really helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.